Well, mabuhay, of course. I love just to get this because it's true. Okay, so a very pleasant morning to everyone. Of course, very important guests today. Our distinguished guest from the Department of Tourism, Undersecretary Sandy Ng, our Managing Director, the invaluable Ms. Cleofe Alviso, our beloved Group General Manager, Mr. Art Ongkato, and the rest of our general managers. Of course, I see Mr. Dan Navarro over here, and later on we'll introduce you the Directors of Sales and Marketing who joins us today. So, of course, Nico already introduced our friends from media. Maraming pong salamat sa pagdating ngayong araw na ito. So on behalf of the commercial team and the entire Mega World Hotels and Resorts family, it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you as we come together to celebrate a shared commitment to encourage domestic travel in the Philippines. First of all, thank you for that incredible energy we saw you hopping from one table to the next. I trust that a number of you won prizes. Nanalo na po kayo. Parang malamang wala kayo nanalo. You won something already, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so over the past hour, you've had a chance to visit the hotels, to experience what they offer, some fun, maybe some food, some coffee over there. It is our hope that you got to appreciate that each of our hotels has their own unique personality and stories to tell. Together, they extend one shared invitation, simply to travel more, experience more, and celebrate more of the Philippines. I'd also like to recognize, of course, our gracious host for today's event, Hotel Lucky Chinatown. There could not have been a more fitting venue for today's launch. Hotel Lucky Chinatown is more than a hotel. It is a gateway to one of Manila's richest cultural districts. Nakatuwa si Margie. Thank you, Margie, for today's presentation, our preparation, and of course, our beloved GM, Gigi Gao. So when you step outside the doors of the hotel, you get to experience authentic cuisine, heritage streets, vibrant local businesses, and experiences that remind us that some of the country's most admirable journeys are often closer than we think. Sabi nga ni Miss Shane Canino. Where's Shane now? You know, I also follow you. I really enjoy your videos. Thank you very much. And our beloved Miss Divine reminded me that that was you, the star. Alright, so it perfectly reflects that today's campaign is all about discovering extraordinary experiences right here at home. Now, the timing of this campaign and today's launch could not be more meaningful. Last Saturday, I'm sorry for reaction from the crowd. Okay, the world witnessed how a 21-year-old Filipina inspired the world by conquering Wimbledon. Yeah, making history at Wimbledon, her remarkable victory was more than a sporting milestone. It also placed the Philippines in the spotlight. People begin to wonder, where is she from? What is that about? Diba? So it gives us an opportunity to shine once again. Moments like this give us a global spotlight for the Philippines, creating curiosity and opening new opportunities for the Philippine tourism. Now we have an exciting program ahead as prepared by our marketing gurus here in the room. In just a while, we will officially unveil Mega World Hotels and Resorts' newest nationwide campaign, highlighting how our hotels across this beautiful country are coming together under one shared invitation for Filipino travelers. Following the campaign presentation, we'll also look forward to hear a message from Undersecretary Sandy Ng of the Department of Tourism. We are honored to have this partnership and we are grateful that he's able to join us today. Together, we shall work forward to working together with a shared goal of inspiring more Filipinos to explore, appreciate and support destinations across the country. Well, after that, we open the floor for a media conversation Nico mentioned earlier. Our distinguished panel will bring us to conversations on opportunities and what this campaign really is all about. And of course, this afternoon, we'll cap off the experience with a guided Binondo food crawl. I'm kind of excited about that. Where you will discover firsthand why this historic district continues to be one of the country's most iconic culinary and cultural destinations. Now at this point, allow me a few minutes to acknowledge and invite our leaders in sales and marketing, our area directors of sales and marketing, directors of sales, to please come forward. As I'd like to call their names, join me in giving them a round of applause. I will start with, from Boracay Main Coast, we have the directors of sales, Shana Almazan, Ella Fernandez, and Mara Santos. For the Richmond Hotel Iloilo and Belmont Hotel Iloilo, we'll have the Area DOSM, that's Director of Sales and Marketing, Ms. Arina Galano. Traveling from the Highlands of Twin Lakes Hotel, we have Jen Kunana. I'd also like to acknowledge our beautiful GM from Twin Lakes Hotel. She is here, Ms. Owen. Okay, next is from Belmont Hotel Manila. I'd like to invite Ms. Pebbles Karamat, Director of Sales and Marketing. Now, for Savoy Hotel Manila, we have the Director of Sales, Janet Reyes, and the Director of Marketing, Ms. Tessa House. Moving on, Kingsford Hotel Manila, we have the Director of Sales and Marketing, Ms. Luisa C. And the tallest and the biggest of our ladies, the Director of Sales and Marketing of Grand Westside Hotel, Vic Ote. Guys, forget any of our directors? No, we're not. No, we're complete.
Miss Margie.
Miss Margie. Miss Margie of Hotel Chinatown. Thank you. Thank you, Nico. And of course, the rest of our hotels, Eastwood Richmond Hotel, Richmond Hotel Ortigas, and Savoy Hotel Mactan are also represented here. Okay, so again, round of applause for our leaders. These are the passionate professionals who work behind every campaigns, every partnership, every guest experience. They are the ambassadors of our destinations, helping travelers discover